Hi guys, this is part 2 of showing my fidgets, so let's get right into it. So next up is this. I don't want to do like the other side because it's pretty hard and it takes up half of the video, but here we go. Here is the good side. And comment down below and see what you rate the rainbow square puppet. So here we go from the next picture. Next up is this blue turquoise square puppet, and here is the good side. Ow. And it was this one right. Rate your suggestions down below. That's part 2. Part 3. Bye.